Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. So we're going to talk to you guys about the research chamber. Now the research chamber is going to let you research different items that you find in the world, which will give you bytes, which will let you unlock schematics you find in your research catalog, show you guys how it works. And this is essentially the main progression loop inside Astroneer to get to all the new cool vehicles and different kinds of toys and stuff. So let's check out how it works and let's get you guys progressing. Alright guys, let's talk about the research chamber. Now the research chamber is what you're going to use in order to research and also get bytes. This way when you go into your schematics, you can unlock additional things. And so to build the research chamber, you're going to need a compound and 2 resin. So 2 resin there, I've got a compound down here. And we'll run over here and I'll print one real quick. Now the different levels of research. First off, the chamber can be made, by the way, from your medium printer. This is your starting one, so you'll already have one of these on your base. Oh, I was backwards. It's 1 resin 2 compound. So let me go grab 1 more compound. So the main thing with the research is different research from different planets have different values. And so things like, mineral or organic research from a planet like, say, Glacio will be worth a lot more than mineral or organic research from the starting planet Silva. So once you get a little bit later in the game and you start to build shuttles and crafts, it's quite often worth it to head to other planets to grab your research and then bring it home to use it, because you're going to get a lot more bytes out of a single piece of research. Now, what does research look like? Now, research comes in a lot of different forms and factors, and I don't think I have any raw pieces lying around, so we'll just take a look at a couple of these. These are actually going to be from Glacio. I gathered these a while ago, but in general, you'll know it when you see it. So I have packaged these up for easier transport, and I'll be covering that in another video. But when you find these items in the world, you can hover over, get a research item. It'll either be unknown or organic or a mineral, and then you can take these. This is your research chamber, so you can unpack that. You put this onto a platform. It's on a platform, and then you pick up the research and you just put it in it. Now, once it's in, you can hit expand on this, and what you're going to get, you guys can see all the important info. What you're going to get is you're going to get the total amount of bytes that it's worth and how long it will take to research at full power. So once you do that, in the bottom right, flip up the lid, hit the green button that is behind the camera, and it'll start to go. And you'll see here right now I'm getting 35 bytes per minute. And it's going to take about 15 minutes for this to get done. Now, if you have multiple research chambers going, like kind of what I have over here, I have a bank of 4. If you open up your research catalog, it'll show you here as well what's your byte per minute rate, and then your total bytes as well. And then as you go through your research catalog, you can see all the different things. So this is a boost mod. This allows me to essentially mine faster. Drill mods allow me to go through tougher terrain. Jetpacks. And now I've unlocked all of these, so if I go down here to something I haven't unlocked yet, I think I should have some stuff in here. There we go. So this is a figurine platform. It'll give you the cost. This is 6,000 bytes, and if I wanted to unlock this, I just hit this, green, and now I can go ahead and build this, most likely from a large printer. So that's kind of how you do it, and that is from a large printer. You have your 4 different categories. That's one thing I should cover. You've got, this is things that you make on your backpack, things that you make on a small printer, things you make on a medium printer, and things you make on a large printer. And this is also identified by, this has the 2 circles, which means 2 resources, 3 resources, and 4 resources, and well, this is just an image of your backpack. So that being said, that is kind of the key to research. So you can get out there, you can explore. Typically the best places to find research on your starting planet, I always find, is inside the forests. You'll find trees. There's actually a tree right here. This tree used to have research in it, but I took it out when I started this save. Here's one right here as well. And so essentially the trees have like this split, and the research is just kind of in there, kind of like a seed. So you can find it there. You can find them inside of caves. You can find them near salvage and wreckage. So they're kind of, you know, all over the planet. And so get out there, explore, get some research, earn some bytes, and unlock some new schematics to have more fun. Until next time, guys, as always, stay humble. Peace out.